हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज सेंटर। तो हम कर रहे थे बीटी 365। तो ये इंग्लिश में ही है क्योंकि अभी हिंदी का आया नहीं इन्वायरमेंट का, तो हम इसको कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं। तो पहला चैप्टर जिसमें था पहला बायोडायवर्सिटी, इसको हमने कंप्लीट कर रखा है। डोंट वरी, मैं समझाने की कोशिश करूंगी। उसके बाद अगर हिंदी में आएगा तो मैं हिंदी वाला भी करा दूंगी। तो आज हम करेंगे क्लाइमेट चेंज दूसरा। तो जो भी ये चीज़ें हैं, इसके बाद पॉल्यूशन भी है। तो इस तरह से हम एक एक टॉपिक कवर करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए। और हाँ, हमारे चैनल पे टेस्ट कराए जाते हैं यूपीएससी के, तो उसको ज़रूर करिएगा। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लाइमेट चेंज में क्या-क्या न्यूज़ें हैं, पूरा अप्रैल से लेके अक्टूबर तक का पूरा आपको करंट अफेयर यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा। यही पढ़िए, यही रिवाइज करिए। नेशनली डिटरमाइंड कंट्रीब्यूशन, एनडीसीएस क्या है? तो नेशनली डिटरमाइंड कंट्रीब्यूशन है इंडिया नेशनल डिटरमाइंड कंट्रीब्यूशन। ओके, each party is the Paris Agreement is required to stabilize an NDC and update it every 5 years. Okay, India submitted its first NDC in 2015, update in 2022. क्वांटिटेटिव टारगेट आप 2030 तक क्वांटिटेटिव टारगेट क्या है? तो टारगेट पैरामीटर है प्रीवियस एनडीसी 2015 का है, अपडेट है जो हुआ है 2022 का। प्रोग्रेस देखेंगे। रिड्यूस द एमिशन इन इंटेंसिटी इन जीडीपी फ्रॉम द 2005 लेवल। यहाँ पर वो थे 30 to 35% और नए में हुआ है, मतलब 2022 में 45% अचीव हुआ है। रिड्यूसरी बाय द 33% बिटवीन द 2005 to 2019। क्यूमुलेटिव एनर्जी पावर इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी फ्रॉम नॉन फॉसिल फ्यूल बेस्ड एनर्जी। तो ये हुआ 2015 में 40% और अभी ये 2022 का है 50%। अचीव्ड इन द 43.81% अक्टूबर 2023। एंड है क्रिएट द एडिशनल कार्बन सिंक थ्रू द एडिशनल फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्री कवर। तो इसमें हुआ 2.5 बिलियन टू 3 बिलियन टन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इक्विवेलेंट। तो सेम एज 2015 हुआ है। रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? इंडिया पंचामृत। तो इसको अचीव करने का जो टारगेट रखा है उसी के बारे में है ये। इंडिया का पंचामृत। इंडिया कमिटेड 5 क्लाइमेट एक्शन पंचामृत COP26 में पंचामृत लिया था। याद रखिएगा कहाँ पर हुआ था? ग्लासगो में। तो रीच 500 गीगावाट नॉन फॉसिल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी बाय 2030। 50% इट्स एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम द रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी बाय 2030 तक, मतलब रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी को 50% प्राप्त करना है। और रिडक्शन ऑफ द टोटल प्रोजेक्ट कार्बन इमिशन बाय 1 बिलियन टन्स फ्रॉम नाउ टू 2030। 2030 तक सभी है, बस एक है 2070 तक क्या करना है? अचीव द टारगेट ऑफ नेट जीरो एमिशंस। और इंडिया लॉन्ग टर्म लो कार्बन डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटजी क्या है? LDC आर सबमिटेड टू UNFCCC. India submitted it in 2022, mentioned that the financial resource will be required to install the renewable power plant, upgrade the transmission grid, and introduce the energy storage system. International Conference, Convention and Initiative. UNFCCC COP29 क्या है? United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) was held in Baku, Azerbaijan, ending with the Baku Climate Unity Pact and Paris Agreement. About Conference of Parties, COP के बारे में जाने तो COP is the UNFCCC the highest decision-making body where UNFCCC member annually review the climate progress and negotiate the commitment. COP30 will occur in Belém, Brazil in November 2025, and first COP meeting was held in the Berlin, Germany in 1995. की आउटकम आप दोनों COP29 ये सब पढ़ाया मैंने इन्वायरमेंट के चैप्टर में, बेसिक वाला। थीम्स है, डिटेल है, न्यू कलेक्टिव क्वांटिटी गोल ऑफ क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस एंड बाकू फाइनेंस गोल। Goal for the finance climate action in developing countries is triple finance to USD 300 billion annually by 2035. गोल पर जो है 100 बिलियन है। एंड इफोर्ट व मोबिलाइज द $1.3 ट्रिलियन एनुअली बाय 2035 पब्लिक एंड प्राइवेट सोर्सेज। कार्बन मार्केट एंड आर्टिकल 6 क्या है? फाइनलाइज द रूल ऑफ द आर्टिकल 6 इंटरनेशनल कार्बन मार्केट ऑफ द पेरिस एग्रीमेंट। ट्रांसपेरेंसी और ट्रांसफर नेगोशिएटिंग items concluded, including the enhancing the transparency framework. First submission of biennial transparency report by the 13 countries under the Paris Agreement. PTR are the regular report are submitted by the countries under ETF. Baku Declaration of the Global Climate Transparency. Baku Global Climate Transparency Platform launched support the full implementation of ETF. Adaptation क्या है? Launch the Baku adaptation roadmap. Okay, and indigenous people and local communities get adopted by the Baku work plan and renewed the mandate of the facilitative working group of the local communication and indigenous people platform. नेक्स्ट है जेंडर एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज, ये तो बताया था जेंडर का भी। एनहांस लाइमा वर्क प्रोग्राम ऑन जेंडर एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड another 10 year Lima work program on gender to include the gender consideration under the conservation and the Paris Agreement. At COP25, parties agreed at 5 years enhancing the Lima work program on gender, and its gender action plan was launched. Issues pending. Deadlock of mitigation work program. Division persists over the fossil fuel role with the global stocktake assessment and becoming a point of the controversy measuring climate program. About the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, Genesis adopted in 1992 में अर्थ समिट इन रियो डी जेनेरियो एंड इंटर इनटू द फोर्स 1994 में आया और इसका हेडक्वार्टर बॉन जर्मनी में है। ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टेबलाइज द ग्रीन हाउस गैस कंसंट्रेशन एंड एटमॉस्फेयर टू प्रिवेंट द डेंजरस एटमॉस्फेयर एंथ्रोपोजेनिक इंटरफेरेंस, मतलब मानव द्वारा हस्तक्षेप को रोकना ग्लोबल ग्रीन हाउस में जो बढ़ोतरी कर रहे हैं। मेंबरशिप है 198 parties including India. Key agreement है Kyoto Protocol 1997 binding the commitment for developing nation to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. पेरिस एग्रीमेंट है 2015 का ग्लोबल अकॉर्ड टू लिमिट द टेम्परेचर राइज बिलो 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस aiming for 1.5 degree centigrade. Key initiative declaration launched at COP29. Initiative launched by है एम another detail है reducing methane from organic waste declaration launched by UNEP convent climate and clear energy coalition. M has set sectoral target to reduce the methane for organic waste, support the implementation of 2021 global methane pledge launched on COP26. And has signatories है 35 countries representing 47% of the global methane emissions from organic waste. Global energy storage and grid pledge क्या है COP29 presidency में aim to set the target of 2030 deploying the 1.500 gigawatt of energy storage in the power sector globally. Global grid deployment goal of adding the refurbishing 25 million kilometer of grid. Green energy pledge, green energy zones and corridor. COP29 presidency in the partnership with the UNIDO and UNECE and UNECCAP. Yes, CAP. तो aim है promoting greenhouse energy zones of tracking the climate change. And hydrogen declaration in COP29 presidency में aim to accelerate the production and use of the clean hydrogen, non-legally binding document, non-requiring changes to participating countries' national law. Baku Harmonia Climate Initiative for Farmer, COP29 presidency in the partnership with the Food and Agreement Organization. Acknowledge the fundamental role of farmer as agent of the climate action. And National Climate Finance Action Fund, ये है अजरबैजान में aim to support the climate project in developing countries meeting next generation NDCs to keep within 1.5 degree centigrade. At Baku Initiative Climate Finance Investment and Trade Dialogue क्या है COP29 प्रेसिडेंसी में हुआ था। ये है Advanced National Ambitions and Action through Utilization of Climate Finance and Investment and Trade as the UNFCCC and Paris Agreement. Global matchmaking है UN Industrial Development Organization accelerate the decarbonization of the heavy emitting industry in emerging and developing the economy. Platform GMP ये है UNIDO and the Climate Club. ये है connect industries with technical and financial solutions. Single point gateway to rise decarbonization request. Declaration of the Green Digital Action COP29 presidency with the Climate Technology Center and Network Technology Mechanism and International Telecommunication. ये है harnessing digital technologies to accelerate the climate action and promote the sustainable development bridge digital divide. A continuity coalition for climate health to COP29 presidency with the UAE, Egypt, UK, Brazil and World Health Organization aim to advance the implementation and health commitment from previous COPs and integrate the health into climate action. Baku Dialogue and Water of Climate Actions COP29 presidency partnership with UNEP, UNECE and memo. Build collaboration between COPs on water and its interplay with climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution, and desertification. 1.5-degree Partnership for Action and Climate Transition Program. United Nations Development Program. Financial Center for Sustainable. IMF fostered stronger collaboration between the private sector and government for achieving the 1.5-degree aligned nationally determined contribution by 2025. Other initiatives, COP29 declaration on enhancing the climate action in tourism, aim to mobilize the tourism sector to reduce its carbon footprint and enhance the climate resilience and promote the sustainable practice. Global Energy Efficiency Alliance launched by UAE to double global energy efficiency rate by 2030. Hydronet Zero Lakh Initiative aim to develop and modernize the sustainable hydropower infrastructure. Global Alliance for Pumped Storage launched over 30 government and international agencies. Rising Ambition and Accelerating Delivery and Climate Finance report published by the independent high-level expert group on climate finance. Global investment requirement on climate action around $6.3 to $6.7 trillion per year by 2030. India at COP29. India clarified its climate negotiation stance at UNFCCC COP29. India's stance proposed a goal of 1.3 trillion annually under the NCQG with $600 billion coming from Iran's equipment resources. Opposed change to the scope of mitigation work program and attempt to alter temperature goal at the Paris Agreement. India says the developed countries should provide financial and technological support developing countries for just transition. Opposed Opposed follow-up mechanism for the global stocktake outcome criticized the UAE dialogue test to the lack of connection, finance imbalance, and mitigation center language. Global stocktake is a process for countries to see whether they can collective making progress toward meeting goal of the Paris Agreement on every 5 years. Called the for clear indicator to measure program progress as on adaptation opposed the use of the third party database supported by stabilize of the Baku roadmap. COP29 side event disaster resilience infrastructure with CDRI focused on climate resilience infrastructure $8 million for 12 small in Iceland developing state project announced. Lead IT meet co-hosted with the Sweden and to accelerating low carbon industry transition. Energy transition with the global south with ICS spotlight. Solar energy role in developing nation energy shift. Other India Sweden industry transition partnership etc. Article 6 Y News. After a decade of negotiation, the rule of the carbon trading and Article 6 of the Paris Agreement have been finalized. About Article 6 of the Paris Agreement provide mechanism for countries to cooperate to achieving their nationally determined contribution through carbon market consisting of two market based on one non-market based approach. Carbon market is a trading system where initiated by carbon credit to offset their greenhouse gas by supporting projects that reduce remove emissions. नेक्स्ट है मैकेनिज्म अंडर आर्टिकल 6। तो क्या है मार्केट बेस्ड अप्रोच है नॉन मार्केट बेस्ड अप्रोच है तो मार्केट बेस्ड अप्रोच है 6.2 एंड 6 आर्टिकल 6.4 इसमें डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड अप्रोच फॉर बायलैटरल कोऑपरेशन ट्रेडिंग ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसफार्मिंग मिटिगेशन आउटकम एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ एनडीसी आर मेड थ्रू ट्रेड ऑफ आईटीओएस और 6.4 में सेंट्रलाइज अप्रोच है टर्म पेरिस एग्रीमेंट क्रेडिटिंग मैकेनिज्म है स्टेबलाइज एज ग्लोबल कार्बन मार्केट है यूजेस बेसलाइन एंड क्रेडिटिंग मैकेनिज्म है 6.8 है इंट्रोड्यूस द नॉन मार्केट अप्रोचेस टू प्रमोट मिटिगेशन एंड अडॉप्टेशन next how corresponding adjustment is work. It's not very important. Climate finance. क्या है climate finance? तो ये न्यूज में क्या है कि why developing countries are disappointed with the enhancing new collective quantitative goal on climate finance. तो इसके बारे में जानते हैं प्रपोज COP29 में प्रपोज किया जाता है सीटिंग ए न्यू क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस गोल पोस्ट 2025 के लिए और इसमें $100 बिलियन एनुअल टारगेट रखा गया 2009 से and Article 9 Paris Agreement mandate the development countries to provide financial support of developing nation. About climate finance, It is local, national, transitional funding for public, private, and alternative sources to support the climate change and mitigation adaptation, particularly developing the countries vulnerable to climate change. Key fact about climate finance: 90% of the climate finance goes to mitigation action. 94% of existing climate investment is either through debt to equity और लॉस ऑफ डैमेज फंड। ठीक है, तो ग्लोबल फाइनेंसिंग मैकेनिज्म अंडर यूनिवर्सिटी इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, इतना नहीं है रिलेटेड न्यूज सब। ग्लोबल इन्वायरमेंट फैसिलिटी क्या है ये देखेंगे हम। तो वाई न्यूज 67th ग्लोबल इन्वायरमेंट फैसिलिटी काउंसिल प्रोवाइड 736 मतलब से 736.4 million फंडिंग। Funding has mobilized for projects from the GEF Trust Fund and Least Development Countries Fund and Globally Biodiversity Framework Fund, which together are part of the GEF family of fund. About the Global Environment Facility, partnership of 18 agencies to address what most challenging environment issues. एजेंसी से स्टेबलाइज इन 1992 में स्टेबलाइज हुए थे ड्यूरिंग रिव्यू और समिट में। गवर्नेंस जीएफ काउंसिल इज द मेन गवर्नमेंट बॉडी। फंक्शन क्या है इसका? सर्व्स एज द फाइनेंशियल मैकेनिज्म फॉर 5 कन्वेंशन: यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज, Convention on Biological Diversity, United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutant, Minamata Convention on Mercury। जीएफ ट्रस्टी वर्ल्ड बैंक है, मेंबर कंट्रीज है 186 कंट्रीज, सेक्रेटेरिएट है वाशिंगटन डीसी। की इनिशिएटिव एंड फोकस एरिया है स्मॉल ग्रांट प्रोग्राम है, सपोर्ट कम्युनिटी लेड इनिशिएटिव इन कंजर्वेशन है, लीस्ट डेवलपमेंट कंट्रीज फंड है, सपोर्ट अडाप्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट इन वल्नरेबल नेशन है। स्पेशल क्लाइमेट चेंज फंड क्या है? फोकस ऑन एड्रेसिंग क्लाइमेट वेरिएबिलिटी। प्लैनेट गोल्ड है, एम टू रिड्यूस मरकरी यूज इन आर्टिसनल स्मॉल स्केल गोल्ड माइनिंग एंड ब्लू नेचर अलायंस है, कंजर्व ओशियन एंड मैरीन बायोडाइवर्सिटी। अंटार्कटिका ट्रीटी वायन्यूज 46 अंटार्कटिका ट्रीटी कंसल्टेटिव मीटिंग एंड 26th committee on environmental protection concluded in India. More in news, they were hosted by the National Center of Polar and Ocean Research, Ministry of Earth and Science, Government of India. NCPOR was established as the Autonomous Research and Development Institution in 1998. Major decisions of resolution adopted at the ATCM give effect to principle of the Arctic Treaty. About Antarctica Treaty, Genesis क्या है? Signed in Washington 1959 by the 12 countries and entered into the force in 1961. Member है 57 out of which 29 are consultative parties and India has been a consultative party since 1983. Applicability है the area south of 60 per degree south latitude की previous है key provisions है Antarctica shall be used at the peaceful purpose only and facilitating international scientific cooperation of Antarctica, prohibit nuclear explosion, radioactive waste exposure, and military deployment in Antarctica. Other efforts to safeguard Antarctica: Convention for the Conservation of Antarctica Seal 1972, Convention on the Conservation of Antarctica Marine Living Resource 1982, and Protocol of Environmental Protection to Arctic Treaty 1991 साइन बाय इंडिया। इंडिया अंटार्कटिका इंस्टीट्यूट है, रिसर्च स्टेशन है, अंटार्कटिका एक्ट है। दक्षिण गंगोत्री 1983 फर्स्ट रिसर्च स्टेशन currently operational, Maitri 1989 and Bharti 2012, Maitri second announced at ATCM 46। अंटार्कटिका एक्ट है, रिफॉर्मिंग ट्रीटी कमिटमेंट enacted in 2022। नेक्स्ट न्यूज है ये है अदर इनिशिएटिव इन द न्यूज क्लाइमेट टेक्नोलॉजी सेंटर एंड नेटवर्क। तो CTCN मार्केट इट्स 10th एनिवर्सरी। अबाउट CTCN हेडक्वार्टर है कोपेनहेगन डेनमार्क में, स्टेबलाइज 2014 में हुआ था। इम्प्लीमेंटेड आयरमैन टेक्नोलॉजी मैकेनिज्म फॉर यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज and it hosted by UN Environment Program. It promotes the accelerated transfer of environmentally sound technology for low carbon and climate resilience development at the request of developing countries. Climate Promises Initiative है, UN Development Program Annual Carbon Promise 2025. Next is its Climate Promise Initiative. About Climate Promise Initiative, it is initiative to support developing countries on their climate action. It's the world's largest offers of support to developing countries and NDC. Next is Greening Education Partnership. UNESCO launched new greening curriculum guideline and new green school quality standard under Greening Education Partnership. About the Greening Education Partnership, it is a global initiative comprising 80 member states and support countries to tackle the climate crisis by harnessing the critical role of education. Next, a climate policy initiative. CPI released the Global Landscape for Climate Finance 2024 during the UNFCCC COP29. About CPI and an independent not-for-profit organization with deep expertise in finance and policy. It was founded in 2009 to support nation building low-carbon economies to develop and implement effective climate, energy, and land use policies. Key finding of report है climate follow flows as are likely to have suspended USD 1.5 ton in 2023 with key increase in the renewable energy and low carbon transport. Fossil fuel investment and consumer fossil fuel subsidies continued in increase annually since 2020. 8.5 Science Based Target Initiative. Climate expert voiced concern regarding SBTi decision allowing the companies to offset greenhouse gas emissions. About this, corporate climate action organization will enable the companies and financial institutions worldwide to combat the climate crisis. A National Information System for Climate and Environment Studies program ये क्या है? ये invited by जो है researcher to join the combating climate change. ये तो कम ये है conceptually is conceptualized in 2012. It is operated by Indian Space Research मतलब ISRO and Department of the Space and along with the other ministry under framework nation action plan on climate change. International Network for Terrestrial Research and Monitoring in the Arctic. ये है Interact. It is a project large network for research station focused on the Arctic and surrounded region. नेक्स्ट है मिया मियाक मतलब 1 मिलियन यूथ एक्शन चैलेंज 1 मिलियन इट इज promoted by the one UN climate change learning partnership. And next है climate mitigation and adaptation. Green credit rule क्या है? Recently, the Ministry of Environment and Forest has issued further guidelines on its green credit program. Key previous on the new guideline focus workful plantation and degraded forest areas under GCP on their eco restoration, and the number of trees to planet depend on the site characteristic and vary as site conditions. Preference of indigenous species cost estimate may be titled as eco restoration and identified degraded forest. ICFRE instruct Forest Department to conduct tree plantation within 2 years. About green credit, you know very well about this. तो इसको हम ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे डिस्कस. ग्रीन क्रेडिट एंड कार्बन क्रेडिट में क्या अंतर है? अंडर द ग्रीन क्रेडिट प्रोग्राम ओपन ऑपरेटिंग अंडर द इन्वायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट एट 1986 और जो कार्बन क्रेडिट है अंडर द कार्बन क्रेडिट ट्रेडिंग स्कीम अंडर द एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन एक्ट 2001 and benefits individual and communities. Green credit activities may qualify as the carbon credit. And carbon credit है primary benefit industries and corporation. About green credit program, market based mechanism for voluntary participation to incentive environment positive action by the different stakeholders and to align with lifestyles and environment initiative encouraging industries, companies and other entities. Eligible activities include tree plantations and sustainable agriculture practices established under the Environment Action 1996 with the Ministry of Economic Forest Climate Change as the nodal agency. एंड नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ जो है वो है ग्रीन वॉशिंग पर। ये तो पूछा भी था एग्जाम में। सेंट्रल कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन अथॉरिटी हैज इशूड गाइडलाइन ऑफ प्रिवेंशन एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ ग्रीन वॉशिंग एंड मिसलीडिंग environment claim 2024. More on the news. These guidelines are the fur- furtherance to the guideline for prevention and misleading advertisements of 2022. They shall be addition to and not to derogation of other laws. About greenwashing guideline defined as the deceptive or misleading practice which include concealing, omitting, and hiding the relevant information by aggregating market value, false up, unsubstantiated environmental claim. Also include use the misleading word, symbol, and imagery, placing emphasis on the positive environmental except while downplaying and concealing harmful attribute. Key provision of guideline. Applicably, all environmental claim a manufacturing several provider, product seller, advisor, and the advertising agencies to endorser whose service is available for the advertisement of such product. Um, Other initiatives taken for prevent greenwashing है ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड एंड ग्रीन रेटिंग प्रोजेक्ट है और उसके बाद इंडियन ग्रीन बिल्डिंग काउंसिल है सेबी बिजनेस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट है एडवर्टाइजिंग स्टैंडर्ड काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया इट रिक्वायर दैट एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ मेकिंग environmental green claim be specified accurate and not misleading. Greenwashing Tech Spirit, organized by the Global Financial Innovation Network, to develop a tool to help regulation tackle greenhousing in finance service. Reserve Bank of India was participate. Direct air capture and storage plant. Why news? The world largest DAC plus S plant Mammoth started operation in Iceland. About DAC plus S technology, a carbon dioxide removal technology which captures CO2 directly from the atmosphere at any location. It is distinct from the carbon capture, which is generally carried out at point of emission. Carbon dioxide as the permanently stored in deep geological formation or used for various applications. About CDR, CDR refer to anthropogenic activities that remove CO2 from atmosphere and store in durable geological, terrestrial, and ocean reservoir. According to IPCC sixth assessment report, CDR is necessary element to achieve net zero CO2 and greenhouse emission. Next, other CDR technologies: afforestation, reforestation, and soil carbon sequestration, fixing atmosphere carbon in biomass and soil, enhancing the weathering, meaning of rock containing minerals that naturally absorb CO2. Ocean-based CDR, ocean fertilization, ocean alkaline enhancement, coastal blue carbon management, etc. Bioenergy with carbon capture and storage using biomass as energy of CDR and storing biogenic carbon geologically. Next, CO2 to methanol conversion. Vinus India's first CO2 to methanol pilot plant has been proposal in Pune, Maharashtra. More on the news: plant with capacity of 1.54 ton per day is being implemented under the public-private partnership with support from Department of Science and Technology. Plant in Pune will be advanced indigenous carbon capture and utilized technologies. About CO2 to methanol convention. CO2 to methanol involve capturing carbon emissions before they enter atmosphere from the industrial sources like power plant or directly from air. Capture CO2 is then hydrogenated, rich with hydrogen to produce methanol. About methanol, also known as the wood alcohol, it is a low carbon hydrogen carrier fuel produced from high-ash coal, agricultural residue, CO2 from the thermal power plant, and natural gas. Initiative in India methanol production. Niti Aayog Methanol Economy Program is aimed to converting coal reserves and municipal solid waste into methanol. Bureau of Indian Standard has notified 20% DME blending with LPG. Notification for M15 and M85 and M100 blend has been issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज ग्रीन ट्रक ट्रांसपोर्ट ट्रांजिशन प्रोग्राम ये क्या है GTTP Why News Union Ministry of for Shipping and Waterway launched the SOP for Green Truck Transition Program to drive the transition from the conventional fuel-based harbor truck to greener alternative. About GTTP announced 2023 to key initiative under the Panchkarma Sankalp. 30% financial support for the promotion of greening shipping, single window portal to facilitate and monitor river and sea cruise, etc. Aim to pass out conventional fuel-based harbor truck operating in Indian major ports and replace them with green truck. A tug is particular class of boat which help mega ship enter or leave a port. Emission from shipping sector global account for nearly 3% of world CO2 emissions. India greenhouse emission from the maritime contribute 1% of overall transport sector greenhouse emission. Other initiative global revised greenhouse gas strategy by International Maritime Organization sectoral target of net zero emissions by 2050. Green Voyage 2050 support developing and countries to reduce emission from the ships aligning with CO 2023 IMO greenhouse gas strategy. Indian Sagarmala program port-led development emphasizes on green port. Maritime India Vision 2030 green port and green shipping in India. Term in news: carbon farming. European Parliament and European Council recently reached provisional agreement on the regulation of establishing the EU-level carbon removal certification framework. About this, it uses regenerative practice to improve the agriculture, restoration ecosystem, and combat climate change by the storing carbon and reducing emission. Key initiative facilitating carbon farming global 4 per 1,000 initiative encouraging the stakeholder to engage a transition toward a regenerative productive and highly resilient agriculture. It was launched during the UNFCCC COP21 in Paris. वर्ल्ड बैंक सपोर्टिंग इनिशिएटिव एग्जाम्पल है केन्या एग्रीकल्चर कार्बन प्रोजेक्ट. नेक्स्ट है कार्बन बॉर्डर एडजस्टमेंट मैकेनिज्म. ये क्या है? तो Kazan Declaration adopted the BRIC rejected CBAM calling discriminatory. About carbon border adjustment mechanism क्या है? It is European Union policy to impose the carbon tax on import and certain product from the countries with less stringent climate policies. Example steel. Next है Keeling curve. Global average concentration of carbon dioxide was 4.7 parts per million March 2024 to 23, signifying large spike in Keeling curve. Next है Greenium. Indian sovereign green bond hardly received the greenium from private investor according to economic survey. Green bonds are debt instrument and fund specific project activities categorized as green under the national and international green taxonomies. About green is it refers to pricing the benefit based on the logic with the investors are willing to pay extra except lower yield. Steel carbon: India's first steel carbon study undertaken at Kevladev National Park. About steel carbon refer to carbon storage in non-tidal freshwater wetland, encompassing carbon sequestered in vegetation, microbial biomass, and dissolved and particulate organic matter. It being a color-based terminology, reflects the classification of organic carbon based on its function and location rather than its physical properties. About other types of carbon: purple carbon is captured through the air, industrial emission, and greenhouse stored in terrestrial plant. Black, burning from burning of fossil fuels, and red, biological particles. And gray, carbon released through industrial emission. Representative consultation pathway. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) introduced the RCPS in fifth assessment report. It describe four different 21st century pathways on greenhouse gas emissions and atmospheric concentration and pollutant emissions and land use. Water credit, a market-based mechanism similar to carbon credit with incentives, water conservation and quality improvement. Carbon credits are generated by projects that have reduced and avoided the removal of carbon emission. Next, biodiversity credit. Definition: an economic instrument that allow private companies to finance their activities such as forest conservation and restoration. Purpose is to have a net positive impact on nature and biodiversity. Unlike biodiversity, offset biodiversity credit are not limited to compensating the company's negative unavoidable impact on nature. Glacial geoengineering. It is the deliberate modification of the climate system around a glacier to slow melt of the ice shelf and reduce sea level rise. Proposed glacier geoengineering strategies, ocean heat transport intervention, setting sediment berms and fibrous curtain along the seabed or front of ice shelf to block the flow of warm circumpolar deep water. NASA organization in news. United Nations Environment Program UNEP, headquartered Nairobi, Kenya. International Environmental Authority engaged with stabilizing global environmental agenda and promoting the efficient implementation of the Sustainable Development Program. This established in 1972 following UN Conference on the Human Environment. Member and 193 UN member states, including India, approved the program of work and budget. Funding and release on voluntary countries over 95% funding needs. Environmental Fund, UNEP Cover Fund host the secretariat of various conventions and entities. Governmental Science for Policy Platform, Biodiversity and Ecosystem Service. Intergovernmental panel on climate change hosted jointly on UNEP and World Meteorological Organization. Common carbon metric supported by UNEP has been developed and assigned the carbon footprint building operations around the world. Major global multilateral agreement under UNEP, तो इसमें है साइट्स है और सीएमएस है बोनेचर कन्वेंशन 1979 का और है बेसल कन्वेंशन 1989 का, रोटरडैम कन्वेंशन 1998 का, मिनीमाटा कन्वेंशन मरकरी के लिए 2013 का, वियना कन्वेंशन है 1995 का, अनकन्वेंशन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी सीबीडी 1992 का है, स्टॉकहोम कन्वेंशन ऑफ परसिस्टेंट ऑर्गेनिक पोल्यूटेंट है 2001 का। रिपोर्ट्स इंडिकेट्स है emission gap report 2024 का, track the gap between where global emissions are healing with current country commitment and where they are to be limit warming 1.5 degree centigrade. They funding greenhouse gas emission nose to new high 57 gigaton of CO2. India ranked third in total greenhouse emission. Adaptive gap report 2024 adoption gap is different between actually implemented adaptation and society set goal reflecting resource limitation and competing priorities. Key funding adaptation gap is estimated in US dollar 187 to 359 billion per year. International public adaptation finance flow developing countries increased US dollar 27.5 billion ton. Global Status Report of Building and Construction 2024 published joined by Global Alliance on Building and Construction, founded in COP21. Next is the navigation new horizons. Okay. World Meteorological Organization क्या है WMO headquartered Geneva, Switzerland, a specialized agency of UN and UN authority wise and the state of the Earth atmosphere and its interaction with ocean and climate. Agency established in 1950, replaced by the International Meteorological Organization 1873, member है 193 including India. Reports indicate है इस ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट रिपोर्ट 2023 का है. It was warmest year on record. Global average near surface temperature at 1.45 degree above the pre-industrial baseline. Greenhouse gas level, surface temperature, ocean heat and acidification etc reached record high. WMO ozone and UV bulletin key find ozone layer are recovering with ozone depletion substances decreasing. Pool recovery to 1980 level is expected by 2066 over Antarctica, by 2045 over the Arctic, and by 2040 to reach the world. एंड एयर क्वालिटी क्लाइमेट बुलेटिन, ये सब चीज़ें हैं। नेक्स्ट है इंटरनेशनल क्रायोस्फीयर क्लाइमेट इनिशिएटिव, operation as in two entities and global organization, non-profit organization, USA based on the Berlin, Vermont, ICCI Europe का charitable organization under Swedish regulation based on Stockholm, Swedish, जिनसे foundation in 2009 to address the impact of the climate change in the cryosphere and objective है advocate of reducing cryosphere warming and mitigate global climate risk including glacier sea level rise and permafrost था। तो collaboration है work with government and NGOs and climate organization IPCC। Reports है state of the cryosphere 2024 blast dates global damage assessment the current state the cryosphere and its response to climate change key finding है ice shelves in the northern Greenland have lost 35% of their total volume since 1978. Rate of the global sea level rise was double in last 30 years। तो ये रहा पूरा का पूरा सेकंड चैप्टर सेकंड पार्ट। ठीक है, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम करेंगे पॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।